Ladies and gentlemen, Jonathan Handford from Fine & Country, and today I'm in Royal Leamington Spa in Warwickshire, and behind me is Goodway House. This beautiful building dates back to 1860, and we're putting to the market a 2-bedroom duplex. Come on inside and let's have a look around. Thank you for taking the time to watch this tour. If you have any further questions, or if you would like more information or a viewing, you can reach me on the contact information that will follow. Have a great day.